All right, this video is actually was recorded live last week. What I was trying to do, I was trying to imagine that I am delivering these breakout box alerts in real time. So you're going to see the telegram with the timestamp when I am delivering the top and bottom edge of the box. Now, the idea is the width of the box is always 10 points and the target is always 20 ticks. So if you're trading one E-mini, it's $100. You'll see in the video, I talk about the challenges of such a service because it's extremely time sensitive and the trader would have to be in front of the screen with a chart in front of him or her and a telegram open ready to go. So watch this. 10 after 7 in the morning. Let me first show you what I did, and then I'm going to back up and explain. So this is Telegram. I created a new channel. It's a private channel, and you see it's 7:06. I posted top 315 and bottom 305, referring to the breakout box. So the top of the box, 11,315, and the bottom is at 11,305. This template will target $120. Now let me back up now. What is this all about? All right. Every now and then, I receive an email from a trader who owns the BWT Precision Auto Trader, who tells me that they are struggling and are not consistently profitable. That bothers me a lot, because this is the best software available to a retail trader. Said it before, I'm going to keep on saying it. It is as solid as they come. And if someone is not consistently profitable, my question is there anything that I can do to help? I reached out to Randy, and I ran the following idea by Randy. What if those who are struggling, if you are successful with it, disregard. If you are struggling, what if those traders have a way of knowing when and where, in real time, when and where to draw this breakout box that you've seen me traded many times on different videos? So my idea is this. What if there was a service that in real time via Telegram told you when and where to draw a box? So in this case, at 7:06, there was a post, draw the box at with the top at 315 and a bottom at 305. As you can see, both longs and shorts are enabled. I guess it's something I have to specify, so that's a note for me to take. It's something I need to specify in the post. Maybe if I'm not specifying anything, this just means that both longs and shorts are enabled. The breakout box is an extremely effective way, I believe, of being profitable every day. It does not have a high winning percentage as such, as you've seen many times in my videos. I could take a number of losing trades before then the market breaks out strong, all the losses are made up, and I hit my daily profit target. So in this case, it's already what? It's like 7:11, maybe 7:12. 6 minutes after I posted the recommendation of drawing the box at these numbers. Now the price is in the box, so there was nothing to do but wait. So I guess I need input from you and with Randy's help as well. Can something like this work? Would something like this be beneficial to traders who, like Randy told me, he knows for a fact there was a certain percentage of traders who are not doing well with the auto trader, and who don't even renew the license very often. There is a yearly, of course, a fee to renew the license. They don't even do that because they're not successful with it. So these are the traders I'm trying to reach. I am not trying to reach traders who are doing great, you know, continue to do what you're doing. This could be possibly, if it works out, a service to those traders who are just, they might like the box approach, they understand the box approach, but they don't have the confidence or maybe the knowledge of when and where to draw this box. These are the traders I am trying to reach. So, how many of those would I be able to do a day? Right now, I'm pretty much on vacation. I'm not really trading. Looks like we might be triggered on the short side here. So, if a red bar closes below the bottom edge, there is going to be a short trade. And obviously, of course, I would be sharing this template with whoever wants to be part of this because we all need to have the same exact template and the same money management. Otherwise, of course, we're going to have very different results. So we almost got triggered on the short side, but the bar did not close below the edge. So while we wait, think if something like this is for you. If you're not doing well with the auto trader, maybe it's something you could consider. Let's see, the next bot's going to close. If it's going to close down, will be a short trade. Just to show you how this would work. You probably have seen these videos before, but it's been a little while. And I never used Telegram before to tell ahead of time where to post the box. So as you can see, it's just a wick. The bar did not close below the edge, so the auto trader keeps you out of the trade for now. This one looks like it will close. All right, so we have a short trade. So again, one contract and targeting 120. And just as fast as this. Now, I'm not saying every trade would be as fast as this. There will be times when you first take losses. But if we take a look at the time, 7:17 looks like we got into the trade around 7:16. So the whole trade did not take a long time. And again, the post was at 7:06, and this is instantaneous. So if a trader is sitting ready to go with a chart open, with the auto trader loaded up and ready to go, and the telegram in front of them, they would receive the post, and at least in theory, they should have the time to draw the box. Now, of course, that's something I don't have too much control over. It all depends on the speed of the market. Sometimes, like this time, you had like 9 minutes to draw the box, which is definitely plenty of time. But I can imagine there will be times when there is only 30 seconds. It all depends on how fast the market moves. So you know what? I want to do one more of these. There's going to be an 8:30 a.m. high impact news. At some point after that, I'm going to do another one of these trades. All right, so the time now is 9:11. Let's do another post. So top 11,170, bottom 11,160. All right, so now it's posted, as you can see, on 9:12. Now let's quickly do the box. 160. 170. All right, the box is ready to go. So prices now are still quite high, about 20 or 30 points above the top edge of the box. So something like this should give everyone plenty of time. But again, time would be a challenge. Sometimes there is plenty of time, and I imagine there will be other times when there isn't so much time. So there was this news announcement at 8:30. The market came down a little over 100 points. So at this point, we shall see. Now, another challenge that there would be is that when I trade for myself, very often I would adjust the box because if I can make it less than 10 points, I will. I might also adjust the location, but obviously I cannot do that if there are other traders who follow me, because then obviously we would have different results, very different results. As it is, we might have slightly different results because of fills and whatnot, internet speed or whatever else. But it's just I definitely cannot be changing anything. So if I post top 170, bottom 160, it's gotta stay there. So of course there will be times when price will never come to the box. That's, for example, now we are above the box, and so it's possible that they can just turn around and go up without us, and that's just how it is. In this case, there would just not be a fill. But that's how it would work. So at this point, I can just put the recording on pause, I guess, or just leave the recording running and then just edit out the waiting time, because they might not do it until the open, which is like 15 minutes away. Yeah, so we'll see. All right, so they're selling off pretty good. We are now in the box. Looks like a short trade, maybe. Okay, short. Now, if it switches, even though the stop is all the way high, the edge of the box is the stop and the reversal area. Okay, so took a loss on the short. Now it's long. Might step out again. So the bottom of the box is a stop and a reversal. Yep. So now down two trades. Sorry, two losing trades, down around 220. So now on this trade, we got to make up the 220 and hit the target of 120. And that's what I meant when I said, as far as winning percentage, this approach does not have a high winning percentage, but it is consistently profitable. And that's what I mean here. So got some negative slippage, unfortunately, but that third trade made up the losses and hit the target. So again, the post, as you can see, was at 912, and it's now was like 932. So again, there was plenty of time in this case to draw the box. That would not. I can't imagine it would always be the case. Sometimes you would not have as much time, and that's what I mean. One of the challenges of something like this is that the trader must be in front of the screen, ready to go. It's not the kind of thing where you say, "Okay, I'll get to it in a couple of hours." No, that's something that happens in real time, and you got to take action in real time. So this was a demonstration. Again, I am only trying to reach out those who, for whatever reason, are not successful with the auto trader. If you are doing great, you have your own approach, disregard this, never change anything if you are successful. Okay, I will of course also be looking for some feedback, especially from Randy. Kind of, let me know if I am onto something. I am not completely sure how feasible this is because of the number of challenges I mentioned already. The time. Once I start trading, beginning of the year, again full time, I would not have the ability to keep on posting trades. So that's why I said probably only 2 a day and definitely done by 10:30 a.m. So is there anything else I wanted to say? I think that's it. So just looking for your feedback. Let me know what you think, and talk to you soon.